Hola, hola, what up guys? Welcome back to Bye Felicia. So I traveled today. We came all the way to Austin to the Churro Company. I had to come back. I came a month ago and I've been craving churros. So y'all get to dive in where I That ice cream is interesting.
Ice cream? With the almonds?
Is that vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
Then after this, gonna get tacos.
It's good.
Tacos.
It's good.
Taste the fruit yet? Well, I'll eat the fruit. So, eating the churros off to, you're gonna see this place. Oh, excuse me. There it is, the churro place. See if I can find this taco joint and if it is the correct address that I said that is in their Instagram. And then we're gonna head over there, eat that, and then we're going to this Thai street food. It's called Didi's. I saw them on Vice. Munchies. Don't ask why I was watching. Just think. Connect the dots. I don't know why I was watching Munchies. It's a good show. Look at this light. Man, you want to get in this picture? This light is awesome. This sun is glowing and this melanin is popping. Popping, 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 popping. So, first stop on our Austin adventure. Let me pay attention to the streets so I don't get ran over and pass up the car. Alrighty, I made it back, y'all. And so this time we've made it to where we're gonna go to our food truck at. But it doesn't open until 6:30, which, as y'all can see behind me, is D's. So we did find this taco food truck that's on this side of me. I'm gonna tag the name somewhere, either there. It's gonna pop up. So the name's gonna be there of the food truck because you can't really see it on the side. But anyways, I got some of their salsa. Let's see. It's a little spicy. This one, that green one. I'm good. That's real good. Ooh, the sauce is attack. It's medium. What do you think about it?
It has enough flavor for you? Scaredy cat.
Babe, I was pissed this morning at that boudin.
What do you? Oh.
It was spicy. I'm fine.
Well, next time I won't get this.
I'm trying to. I mean, you've increased my spice level palette a lot. And we gotta save room for that play. people I'm having to share everything, but it's a lot. It's so good though. I don't have that much battery left on my phone, and I really wanted to get some great footage of this place. We're gonna jump into back there. Got some margaritas, some drinks. Yeah, I would have put some sugar on the rim to cut the little bitterness, but it's good though. All right, I'm back. I've been finally came in. So let's see what we got. I think it's the mango. It does. No, that's Macau. That's the beef skewers. So it's like, see that? Alright, so it's like some rice. Is that the soup type of deal? So this is like the, I gotta go. Look how, there it is. Damn. And then I have this with the fried egg. Alright, that's the beef skewers, babe. And this is a little sauce at home. Alright, come on. That's spicy. That's really good. Ooh, so good. It's spicy.
Cooked it at the end.
Oh, I like it too.
Yeah, it like builds up.
That mango gonna be refreshing at the end. an awesome time here. And also the night is definitely still young. So we may just ride around the city. And it was so, I'm gonna add a few of those little clips in there. And again, see you guys tomorrow.